Good morning children. A warm welcome to the IT class. In the last session, we have learned about the format painter. In this session, we will study about page layout. Page layout. MS Word has a tab called Layout which contains two important settings: page orientation, page size. These settings let us decide the overall appearance of the document when it is printed. Page orientation. Page orientation is the direction in which the page is printed. It can be either portrait vertical or landscape horizontal. The default orientation is portrait. To change page orientation, follow these steps. Select the Layout tab. Click the Orientation button in the Page Setup group. Choose the option of your choice, landscape or portrait. Page size. You can select the size of paper from the standard sizes available in the size option. To select the size of paper, follow these steps. Select the Layout tab. Click the Size button on the Page Setup. A list of paper sizes is displayed with the current paper size highlighted. Select the desired page size. Previewing and printing a document. After completing your document using MS Word, you can print the document. In order to print a document, your computer must be connected to a printer. Previewing a document. Before taking a printout of a document, we can see what it would look like on the computer screen by using the Print Preview option. This option allows us to adjust the layout of the document before printing it and helps us save printer ink and paper. To preview a document, follow these steps. Click the File tab and select the Print option. The preview of the document will automatically appear on the right side of the Word window. To view each page, click the navigation keys. The view of the document can be enlarged by using the zoom slider bar at the bottom right corner. Printing a document. To open the print window, press Ctrl+P. To print a document, follow these steps. Click the File tab. Select the Print option. Choose the printer. Enter the number of copies you want to print in the Copies spin box. By default, the number of copies to be printed is 1. Under the Settings section, click the arrow next to Print All Pages to choose any given option. After selecting the type of printing option, click Print. Borders and shading. Borders and shading tool is used to enhance a document. You can put text, pictures or pages inside a frame or border. To apply a border or add the shading effect, follow these steps. Select the paragraph you want to format. Click the Home tab. Select the Borders and Shading option. Select appropriate options in Setting, Style, Color and Apply to. I hope you all have understood page layout, printing a document and borders and shading. In the next session, we will be studying drop cap effect. Thank you.